Hello everyone. So before actually going into the programming example of polymorphism, we'll do this quick small tutorial on method overloading. So what is overloading? So for convenience, Java allows you to write more than one methods in the same class definition with the same name. Now having two or more methods named the same in the same class is called overloading. It is not overloading if you have the same method name in two different classes. This is a rule for overloading. Two methods may share the same name, provided the number of parameters are different, or if they have the same number of parameters, then there should be at least one position I where the data types of the parameters differ. So, for example, shopping cart class can have a compute cost method with two variations. First is compute cost without any parameters, and second is compute cost where you explicitly supply the tax value. This is overloading. Now let's take a look at this example. Let's say you supply two arguments, whether so first is int surcharge and then boolean add surcharge. So this means what is the surcharge amount and whether the surcharge has to be added or not will be supplied as a boolean to this method. Now take a look at this another method, whether the tax what is the tax that has to be levied and whether there will be any discount. Okay, so in tax and boolean get discount. Now here, will this be overloading? You can pause and think about it. What are the rules? What are the number of parameters? See, firstly, both the methods have the same name, that is compute cost. Both of them have the same name, that is compute cost. Both of them have two parameters, that is 1 and 2. Okay, both of them have two parameters, and the data types of both the parameters are also the same. So these two have identical number of parameters and the types are also the same. It does not matter what the formal names of the parameters are. Here the formal name of the parameter is surcharge and here the formal name of the parameter is tax. But from the compiler point of view, they are both of the type int and they are both the first parameter. So they are both the same. Similarly, in the for the second parameter, if we see in the first method we have add surcharge, in the second method we have get discount. Although as humans, when we read this, they are totally different things. But from a compiler point of view, what you can say is the second parameter uh, in both the methods is of type Boolean. Okay, so the compiler doesn't care what the formal names of the parameters are, it just sees the types of the parameters list as int, comma, boolean. Okay, so that's it for method overloading. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.